Hi friends, today I am showing you this Koogel 12 colors outline metallic colors markers. So you can see these are like double lined outline for pens, metallic color for the Doodle Dazzles and any other thing you want to do with it. The good thing is that this product comes with the stencils, so I will show you later on with that. And you can see the different colors of these markers. They all are metallic and around 5.25 inches long and 0.3 inches in width, and the stencils are 7.25 inch in length and 2.25 inch in width. So there are total 8 stencils, that is like the cursive small letters, alphabet, big letters, some wavy thing, some different fonts for ABC. I'm just showing you one here to see the quality. These are the washable stencils that you can use. You can put the mark on the top of it, and these are the steps that I'm describing you here. So for this you have to shake a bit, hold down the pen on so that the ink will come down. When the tip is colored, then you can start writing with it. So see, when the tip is colored, then you can start writing with it. So you can write using the stencils. You can use the stencils to make marks like a star, heart shape, or anything else. So the different uses you can use with the different results. So overall it's a good thing to play with, to mark. So you can write with these, and they are like metallic, so you can see the shine when I put it on the table, on the carpet, and see, like when I'm drawing with it, I can feel it like a pen or a marker with the metallic colors. So different colors will give you different thing. I'm not showing you all the colors here, but the total colors are like this, which are there. These are the stencils that comes with it, easily washable. The other stencils are here that you can see. I will post a photo as well so that you can see all these different stencils, all of the same size but different shades or the designs. So this is the length and the width of the marker and the stencils. These are the total 8 stencils with different designs, and this is how you need to use it, by holding it down and use it. So you can produce like 3 different results that are here.